Welcome to the Millbrook Railroad, and this is part 2 in a series of rebuilding this curve that we call Turkeyfoot curve. In the last video, we fixed the drainage and installed a culvert. In this video, we'll fix the grade. There's a low spot in the grade right about where I'm raking, and we're going to make the grade a little less severe here by raising this low spot. So in order to raise the track here, I'm going to have to remove the panels that are here. So I use the angle grinder to cut out the rail joints and the driver drill to remove the guardrail. And with the guardrail out of the way, I go back to the joint, finish removing the screws, pull the rails, and then move on to the next panel, where I do the same thing all over again. Until eventually we've removed 50 feet of track, and then we can move on to working on the roadbed. Now with the old track out of the way, now we have to move the new track out of the way, get it out of our work area. So if anybody wonders what empty roadbed looks like, wonder no more. This is what empty roadbed looks like. But don't worry, we're going to put new rail down. New rail, new ties, new ballast. I'm never going to check the grade with Mosier 2 Pro. Our friends at Mosier were generous enough to sponsor today's video. Here is the Mosier 2 Pro. It's a Bluetooth device that connects to your cell phone. Goes in a little pocket right there on the Mosier stick, and has a little app. And we're going to go to the opposite end, come out of the shadows, and we're going to measure the grade. All right, places to start. Lifting up, walking briskly, being careful not to kick it. Place it down firmly on the ground, like so. One last measurement up to the end of the track. Stop that. And we have 49.28 feet to put back into place. Basically it's 50 feet because the full gap there. I didn't go from tie to tie. So let's see what we have for a grade. Minus 2.9, minus 0.5, minus 1.3, and then minus 0.5. So
makes sense.
We're going to lift up the middle. That's all average. We're going to lift up the middle here because we've got a bit of a hole right in here where the culvert is.
Yeah, we can actually see it.
Yeah, it's actually visible. And if I did a finer measurement and did more measurement points, I could actually see that. But I'm not going to give you that right now because I want to just get this thing done. Well, I almost forgot. Mosier 2 Pro, link in the description. Check it out below. Well, now that we've established that there's a dip, we have to fill that dip with shovel after shovel of ballast. And we're not just throwing it anywhere willy-nilly. We actually can see how much we're raising it. So strategic placement of ballast. That's what we're doing here. And it all sounds like we know what we're doing, and actually we do know what we're doing, but then I go and do something stupid like getting the zero turn stuck in the loose ballast and jackknifing the trailer. You'd think I'd never driven this thing before.
That's why they call it a zero turn.
Yeah. Zero turn radius. Sometimes you can't turn at all. Take this out.
I don't think we're going to finish tonight. Well, I mean,
Just getting that thing into position. Wow, what a pain in the butt that is.
yeah.
Digging into the ballast. I'm gonna have to level this up. Break it out real good. I've got way too much right here.
Are you getting another batch or?
We're gonna have to, I think. I'm gonna have to get more.
Let's get this thing out of the way. Yeah, we need a little more where you're standing.
Yeah, definitely.
Not much. I'm just here for you.
Yeah.
But after that, it's not so bad.
So we did get another load of ballast, and this time I decided I wasn't going to try to bring the trailer along the roadbed. We'll just bring it alongside it. Much easier that way.
Was lower than I thought. Might have been out of gas.
If that's the case, we're kind of stupid.
I know what's wrong with it. I know what's wrong with it. What's that, Cletus? Ain't got no gas in it. What do you know?
Are you kidding me? If that's the
It's still
case.
taking on gas.
I think it might have been out of gas. Well, you know what? That's the best scenario.
Yeah, I thought it was weird that it didn't smell like a morning carburetor.
Now, in case you're wondering what we were going on about, I had tried for 20 minutes to start the plate compactor, or the jitterbug as we call it, and I looked in the gas tank and saw that it was wet in there and figured it had enough gas. Well, turns out it didn't.
A few years back, my dad sent my buddy and I to Rhode Island with an old truck. What the heck was it? A Suzuki Samurai.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
With a trailer, and we're supposed to go down there and get a lawn mower tractor.
let's make it a little wider, like right through here.
The day before, the truck is in my dad's garage with the hood
I'll
up.
pull it too much. Let me make sure it's on.
Oh, yeah. It already sounds good.
So, I'm assuming that my dad is checking on everything.
Yeah.
So we leave, we go through Highway 89, and we're on Highway 89. There's kinds of, we go uphill and downhill. And the truck is struggling when we're going up.
A lot of things to do on 89 now.
So we decide to make a stop in the rest area and just check the oil just for the heck of it.
Oh.
My buddy goes, "Hey, get over here." Takes a dipstick out. He says, "I could lick it. It's so clean that I could lick it." There was no oil in the truck whatsoever.
How do you like that? We just spent the last half hour trying to start that thing and it was out of gas. I thought I saw wet in the tank.
I figured out what was wrong with it.
You figured out what's wrong with it?
It had no gas in it.
What do you know?
Now it's got gas.
I'm not gonna judge. Oh, lista tabarnak.
Yeah.
That's what I'm gonna say. Oh, lista tabarnak.
I'm gonna let it warm up a bit. It still sounds a little cold.
So what do you know? These things do run better when they have gas in the tank. Yeah, who knew? Anyway, now that's all taken care of. Run up and down the ballast and tamped down the sub-road bed as good as we could.
I said, really? Well, I was up in trouble. I'm like, surely they checked the match. Yeah, but it always looks like it's wet, no matter what's in it. If you look down in there, like, the little float valve that's in it is red, and it's a shiny red, so it looks wet no matter what. Yeah. Ah, you got that. Yeah, I was like, I said, Ricky, what? Oh, no. Throwing your shoulders out, and I'm like, I don't know what's wrong with it.
You mind giving a few whacks? Okay. You mind checking if there's gas in it first?
I'm sorry, you're never getting over that one. Oh, jeez.
Well, now that that's all over, let's drop some more ballast, shall we? We'll just continue along the curve and finish leveling it out.
That's the focus. Yeah, that's it.
Alright, so from the end of track there to basically right here.
And of course, after we spread all the ballast out, leveled things up nicely, I got out the jitterbug again and ran it up and down the roadbed some more. When I got to the edge here, I realized that the edge of the compactor was digging into the ground a bit and actually helping me with the ditch. Bonus. Well, I think that's pretty much it for this episode. The next episode, we'll put the track down and measure everything out. Make sure it's nice and level. Probably do some more grading, and we'll definitely surface the track after we get it in. So big thanks to today's video sponsor, Mosier. You can check out the link below if you would like to know more about the Mosier 2 Pro. And if you want to know more about the Millbrook Railroad, you can go to millbrookrailroad.com. Or if you want to help support the channel in a financial way so we can keep making videos like this and other major projects like this, you can join us on Patreon, patreon.com/millbrookrailroad. And of course, a big thanks to Max, who came down from Canada to help us out, help us get some major project done on the railroad, and Eric, who also pitched in and gave us some help on this too. So, couldn't do this without volunteers. So if you're interested in volunteering here at the Millbrook Railroad, go to millbrookrailroad.com, send us an email, and we'll let you know when we're working on stuff. Usually it's on a day-to-day basis, but we can always arrange something. Thanks for watching today's video. Hit that thumbs up button, share it, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.